Learning how to clamp SP products correctly helps us reduce our damage and keep our customers happy. Before ever driving heavy equipment into a trailer, make sure the wheels are chalked. Always ask the driver if he chalked his wheels. Keep our warehouse free of broken pallet pieces, nails, and stretch wrap. This debris can cause expensive repairs and downtime to our equipment. Our clamp trucks are equipped with a manual 3-position pressure regulator, and our preset pressures are low 600 pounds, medium 900 pounds, and high 1400 pounds. The clamp trucks also have a light bar which shows what pressure is currently being used. If 600 pounds, low pressure, the light is green. 900 pounds, medium pressure, the light is yellow. And at 1400 pounds, high pressure, the light is red. Our DCs share a portable clamp force indicator. This machine allows us to monthly check our clamping pressures, and if too high or too low, our technicians will recalibrate. Many of our cartons will have the Clamp Here graphic. If you can see this graphic, then you can clamp. If you can see the clamp graphic with a line through it, do not clamp. Turn the product until you can see the Clamp Here graphic, and then clamp. Our vendor partner, Hahn, came out with a pressure guide that we use for all of our product handling. Each clamp truck should have this attached, and you will need to refer to this guide while learning. On this screen, the clamp operator is clamping two 4-drawer vertical files. The Hahn pressure guide dictates a pressure of low 600 pounds, so the light should be green. All of our products should be clamped at the bottom of the carton. If you can see an operator using too high of a pressure or not clamping from the bottom, say something. The operator now has 4-drawer vertical files, and he moves his pressure up to 900 pounds, and the light is now yellow. The clamp is now holding 18 3-drawer files. The pressure has been moved up to 1400 pounds, and the red light is on. Some basic rules for clamping our products are: clamp all products from the bottom of the carton. When traveling, clamps should be about 4 inches off the ground. When coming out of a trailer, tilt back 3 degrees or so and drive slow over the dock plates. This keeps product from slipping out of the clamps. When traveling, make sure your load is centered. Don't travel with load shifted to one side. The clamp should always be parallel to the bottom of the carton. Product and carton can be damaged if the clamp is angled. When moving a carton, clamp it and move it. Don't spear product with clamp. Don't push product with open clamps or drag product. Our Hahn deliveries are floor loaded. We pay for driver assist, and his job is to turn the Clamp Here graphic so it faces you and you can clamp. While unloading the Hahn truck, do not clamp unless you can see the Clamp Here graphic. Clamp all product from the bottom. Vertical files are clamped front to back. Hahn files will have the Clamp Here graphic. Laurel files have no graphic but are clamped the same way. Use Hahn pressure guide for correct pressure settings. This cutaway shows how little protection there is on vertical files. This is why you must clamp on the bottom. When clamping too high, you can push the handles in and damage the file. Clamping wrong can crease the file or rack the file. Oftentimes, the carton does not show damage, and the dealer or end user now has a damaged file to return. Lateral files can be clamped with high pressure. The files are not completely wrapped in cardboard and have bare metal protected only by shrink wrap. Be careful not to spear the file or to push the file into another product that could damage it. Lateral files should be clamped squarely. If you clamp by the corners only, you can damage the file. Most of the seating we clamp are from Hahn, Basics, and Laurel. Use the minimum pressure needed to securely lift the chairs. Hahn and Basic Seating use the clamp here graphic. Laurel does not. Always clamp from the bottom of the carton. Grabbing the carton too high can break the chair base or the arms. Hahn storage cabinets should be clamped with the handles facing away from you. If you see the handles, turn the product 180 degrees and clamp from the backside. Hahn metal bookcases are also clamped from the backside. If you see the stop sign, do not clamp. Turn 180 degrees. When pulling orders, don't clamp Hahn bookcases smaller than 60 inches high. Use an order picker to pull instead. Don't clamp individual Laurel metal bookcases or metal storage cabinets. Use an order picker. When unloading from truck, make sure you clamp on bottom and use minimal pressure. Hahn and fully assembled furniture should be clamped low. Always clamp the heavy end and make sure clamps are parallel to the bottom. Since we're stacking desks 6 to 8 high, we want to make sure that we are doing it as safe as possible. Try and stack same size cartons on each other. If space doesn't allow, then always have the heaviest, largest carton on the bottom as the base. Always have the heavy end facing the aisle. The heavy end has the pedestal drawers and gives the clamps something to grab. Having the heavy end facing the wrong direction can cause your stack to fall over. Stack metal desks on metal desks and laminate desks on laminate desks. Try and stack same size cartons on top of each other. Hahn's labels are marked with a W, which is laminate product, and E for metal desks. All Hahn's new shipments now have a yellow label on their laminate product. Laminate desks can be stored 6 high. Keep the cartons the same size for stability. Metal desks can be stored 8 high. Never put laminate desks on metal desks. The weight of the laminate damages the metal desk. Learn the different series of desks so you will know which is metal and which is laminate. Hahn only has 4 series in laminate: the 101, 10500, 10700, and the 94000. All of the other desks then must be metal. When clamping hard-to-handle items like our hutches, put in more time and effort so that these items don't get damaged. Hahn's thick cardboard dunnage can be cut down and used as a spacer to help grab the hutches. Take your time when setting one product on top of the other to avoid unnecessary damage. When unloading product from trailer, don't push your clamps past product and into cartons in front of it. Here is a quick clamping recap. Follow the carton clamp here graphics. Always clamp product at the bottom of the carton and parallel to the load. Make sure the clamps are calibrated every month. Follow guidelines for load size, clamp pressure. Keep the load as low as possible, about 4 inches. Clamp only like items together. Handle all cartons in an upright position. Avoid dragging product on the ground with the clamp. And remember to always chalk wheels.